Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Investors should keep a close eye on the economic calendar for the days ahead, which features a mix of high, medium, and low-impact data releases. Each event has the potential to influence trading decisions and shift market dynamics, making it vital to stay informed. With these updates in mind, it's crucial for investors to adjust their strategies accordingly. The days ahead may see market responses that align with or deviate from expectations.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices eased about 1% to end last week, to settle at one-month lows as the US pushed for a Russia-Ukraine peace deal that could boost global oil supplies, while uncertainty over US interest rates curbed investors' risk appetite. Gold prices held steady to end last week after falling over 1% earlier in the session, as traders boosted bets on a December US interest rate cut following dovish US Federal Reserve comments. Bullion notched a weekly gain of 0.1%. The dollar weakened against the yen to end last week, after Japanese officials stepped up verbal intervention to stem the currency's decline, even as the greenback broadly was headed for its biggest weekly rise in 6 weeks.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 3.0% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the oil drop 0.8% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.